She turn around.
I got him.
The cub is so cute.
He is knocked out.
They're all knocked out.
No, but the cub is on his back.
Is that one eating grass?
Just sharpening the teeth, eh?
Oh, he's sharpening that teeth.
Yeah.
Do they sharpen their nails too?
They just
What do they use, like tree bark?
the bark of the tree.
He's licking the grass.
He's also eating the grass.
Does that mean they're sick when they do that?
Dogs normally do that. They're sick.
Even dogs do that, yeah. No cause of alarm.
They really don't care about us.
At all.
No, they don't. Oh, now you cannot close the window.
No.
Oh my God.
I just want to rub them. Ooh, she's getting up. She is huge. Wow. She marking her scent. She looking at like, why you up?
That cub is so cute. Look at them. He got his paw on her. They're blooded. It's all shit.
I think they're all.
Yeah, they are. She's. They might be sisters.
She's like looking like, who is that?
They are snoring.